Hello, my name is Angelo Romero. I'm the President and CEO of PNP Pain Center Corporation. Our company is a service company and we operate physical therapy and rehabilitation services.
Actually, sobrang dami naming challenges before working with De Castro, especially when it comes to the HR department. No, lahat ng mga aspects doon when it comes to proper termination, yung mga pag-build ng mga policies and all. So, doon kami pinaka nahihirapan and natulungan kami na ma-align and maging compliant sa mga legalities and all ni De Castro. Overall, sobrang fun, sobrang collaborative, lalo na lahat ng mga staff, even sila attorney, no, hindi sila mahirap i-reach out, and at the same time, ang dami namin natututunan sa kanila, hindi lang more on sa HR aspects, even yung mga important ones, kaya masasabi ko naman na nag-grow talaga kami professionally dito kay De Castro.
I would definitely recommend it because definitely we appreciate yung services of De Castro. And sa mga co-businesses like us, we should accept or i-take natin to as not as an expense, no, but an investment. Kasi definitely to have structured HR processes is an advantage for our company. We could not cover everything on ourselves, no. It's good to have a partner, especially expert on these areas. So having a partner, especially for HR compliance, it's nice to have like a De Castro consultancy services for our company.